Ford today revealed for the first time the new Fiesta, featuring confident new styling, an enhanced technology package and powered by sophisticated mild hybrid powertrains to make the compact hatchback more future-ready than ever. A bold, distinctive exterior takes Fiesta's expressive design to a new level, with more road presence and greater differentiation between the comprehensive lineup of Fiesta variants. Trend, Titanium, ST-Line and Active models each benefit from unique styling elements alongside an expanded range of exterior colors, wheel designs, and interior finishes. The Fiesta range is also expanded with new vinyl packs that amplify the Titanium, ST-Line and Active personalities with luxury specifications, in addition to highly specified X variants. Latest generation technologies help ensure new Fiesta is better equipped than ever for intelligent, connected driving experiences. LED headlights are for the first time introduced to all Fiesta variants, with advanced matrix LED technology available that offers glare-free high beam functionality and can also adapt headlight beam patterns for better visibility in challenging conditions. The new Fiesta also introduces a 12.3-inch digital instrument display that helps drivers stay informed for relaxing journeys. Local hazard information 1 and wrong way alert 1 make their Fiesta debuts among a suite of sophisticated driver assistance technologies.